Look at this channel. The entire content of this channel is AI generated, and you won't believe how much money this channel is making. When I checked it on Social Blade, I found this. Yes, this channel is making around $16,000 monthly. You can make this type of videos easily. Just use this free AI tool. I have provided the link in the description. Just click on here, and you will find so many templates. Just select anyone from here, and select aspect ratio from here. And now just click on here, and type your idea, or topic, on which you want to generate a video. Once you have typed your idea, hit Generate button. And it will generate a script, based on your idea. And now click here, on Create Scenes. It will automatically convert the script into a video. If you don't like the images or clips, you can simply change it from here. Just search what type of video you want, and drag that video, and drop it here. To add human-like AI voiceover, you just click on VoiceOver tab, and select the first option. Select any of the voice model from here, and hit Generate. Don't forget to tick here. And finally add them to your video. And you will see all the voiceover are added perfectly, and get adjusted with the video timeline. Let's play the video, and see how it looks.
The British Empire was one of the largest empires in history. It was established during the 16th century and lasted until the mid-20th century. At its peak, it controlled over a quarter of the world's land surface and population.
To download this video, just click on Export. If you have a paid plan, you can download full HD. Otherwise, just click here. So using this AI tool, you can easily make 30 to 50 videos a day, which is enough for you to grow on YouTube. Just upload one video every day, and see your channel grow. Thanks for watching.